Hey everyone, my name is Slater. I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going on and how important it is to train your workers on setting your anchor points. So here at the university, putting a bunch of permanent anchors in, you'll get to see why. Okay, so I'm putting a bunch of V18 permanent anchors in to replace this system that doesn't meet the loading requirements. And the roofers on the job are wonderful people, but I've never seen anything quite like this before. So these butterfly anchors, I need to do another video on these. For this to be a compliant anchor, this would have to be flush on the deck, and you'd have to have all 6 nails here into a rafter and all 6 there nails on that other side into a rafter. You can see that if they fall, they die. If you don't train the worker, this is what you might get, and then you get a really bad call one day. So you can see I'm using a V18 anchor, a little redirect here, ASAP lock in the lock position. As I put these in, I daisy chain over. 5,000, each of these will take a 5,000 pound load in any direction, and when this copper ridge is replaced, this will look really, really nice. And even more importantly, you probably won't even see it. And another to do down there. But anyway, train your workers. Train your workers. It's really important. And document that training. Don't take care.